Good afternoon, students. Staying near or far. This is a virtual class. We are conducting, as we are now bound due to pandemic situation. I told you earlier. But actually, this virtual class, what we are taking, that is very authentic for the banking and bank management, because banking system and bank management is now widely practicing automated. Telecommunication devices are highly used here in banking and bank management practices. So this telecommunication here termed as the electronic banking system. We are now bound. This is the decision of Ministry of Education and of National University. So many academic institutions are also converting their traditional system of delivery into virtual system. Automation is now highly used in class lecture delivery, and you students are also becoming more connected and enlightened in this sophisticated system. Actually, initially, this was problematic from both sides, from the side of the teachers and also side of the students. But now, we are becoming accustomed to it. Some pages is a problem regarding MB. We are also asking and requesting government to minimize the cost in favor of the students, so that at a low cost you can know and learn where the teachers are delivering and saying. This is the situation is now prevailing, but actually it's also training for your side. Being a student of business, you need to know, it's an obvious also for you, to practice online techniques. Not otherwise, even if you are tomorrow a banker, you can't perform your banking job smoothly and the right way of functioning. That's the thing. Anyway, I like the decision from National University, decision from Ministry of Education, and also our principal sir, Professor Sir Chaparani, he also advised us. So, for better conducting to our students, we are now delivering this way. Mind one thing, actually, Mohammadpur Kendriya College is the pioneer. I myself delivered more than 60 classes. This virtual class also developed my practicing. Also, you, the students, you are also developing and growing. And you, the upcoming generation, future generation, this technology is easier from your side. But I am old man, isn't it? At least I am there 60, so in that point of view, to say I am old man, in the context of Bangladesh. But I myself don't think so. By heart I am not old. Anyway, then, electronic banking systems, banking expert H. Lipis, he says electronic banking system are electronic systems that transfer money and record data relating to these transfer. Allahu Akbar. Ajan is going on. So, few minutes I am taking from you, and you just visualize the overall scenery of our campus, of your campus also. Good. So in this connection, in addition, he also said, electronic banking services and developing tools in the overall banking services delivery system. So you just see, now banking system and practicing is widely using automation and technology. Its multiple functions and activities all including deposit, receiving, transferring, transaction, collection, procurement of information, facts and materials, payment, communication. These things are practicing with the help of the electronic devices. So this is the situation. Now worldwide banking system is completely basing upon electronic tools and technology using. So this has been started 1960 to 1970, the very earlier part. First time it was used in the National Bank of New York, and then the automation used, that is the electronic fund transfer system. With the help of this, the fund was transferred from one bank to another bank, from one position to another position. Next, in the 1967, Barclay Bank first used cash dispenser automation. So that make them very easier for conducting the banking, transferring or counting system. In the year, the next, Middle Age in the point of the banking system, that was 1971 to 1990. Lloyd Bank of England. Lloyd Bank used first, automated machine, and the next, that was the only, point of sale, POS and automated teller machine. These were widely used in England, Western world, to some extent, some posh countries of Asia. Present is now highly concerned and connected to using tools, techniques, automation, devices of electronic banking. Say for the ATM card, a smart card, debit card, credit card, ready cash, internet banking, mobile banking, very widely using. So is very much positive from the side of the clients. Clients can easily now transact. Just taking a certain position, they can send million taka or dollars even from one country to another country, from one position to another position without risk. To carry say for the even is a 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs taka is quite tough. But this very moment 20 crore taka can be transferred and shifted from certain branch to another branch or from one country to another country. It's the easiest system. So no social or physical risks are there. This is the situation is now going on. The some features of the electronic banking, that is the more use of technology. Yes, electronic banking is highly concerned and connected to using maximum use of technology. With the technological backup, the computer, internet facilities, mobile phone, huge transaction is done worldwide. Within the country and abroad, it's quite possible, the most easiest manner. Then provide 24-hour service. This ATM booth, they can provide the 24-hour service. Even some banks are there open day long. Not necessarily, there's so many ATM booths are there. And now another service they are providing, that is, ATM booth of a certain bank is also providing service of another bank. And for that they are getting a certain fees or charges. Then quick and correct accounts. Yes, right away quick and correct accounting is possible from the automation, using automation. No nepotism, no illegal functioning. But most right way, they can count, they can transfer, they can ship, they can count money or money swap. Then the request service, yes. Anytime, any moment, if any request is coming from the client, then the bank can provide the service, yes. sometimes some sort of general services, professional services bank can also provide. Then reducing the paper-based transactions, I told it earlier. Yes, no, it's not necessary to carry a huge taka, say for the 1 lakh taka to carry, or 2 or 3, 4, 5 lakhs taka to carry in hand is sometimes even it can be dangerous for the side of the carriers. Those who are carrying this money, they can be attacked by the miscreants, even their life can be endangered. In that point of view, if someone wants to transfer money from Mohammadpur to New Market or to Motijil, if the amount is 25 lakhs taka, 50 lakhs taka, 1 crore taka, then and there he can transfer this money from a certain branch here at Mohammadpur, then to transfer it to Motijil. It's a case of only few seconds, no problem. So, paper note based transaction is becoming obsolete. Then, remove geographical barriers, I told it the same way, I am again telling. If you want to send your money from Mohammadpur to Motijil, then no problem. If you want to send your money from Bangladesh to India, no problem. Even any far country, near or far country, then very easiest manner you can transfer your money, you can send your money, paying a certain percentage fees, okay, no problem. Then keeping secrecy obviously is account, there is a specific password, there is a specific account, name of the account. So if any transaction is going through this account, then obviously that the account holder can only know. No other person cannot know. So secrecy is strongly here maintained. Then home service. Nowadays home service facilities, banks are now providing multi-varied home services. Yes, even any kind of transaction, even if you can online transaction is done through the banking channel. Then quick and secure money transfer, same word, same sentences again and again. I am telling quick and secure, very fastest, within a few seconds you can transfer any amount of money from one location to another location, and in the very safely. It's quite possible to transact very safely a huge amount of money, whatever the amount is that. Then settlement of quick intra-banking transaction is a real, once it was a quite tough thing. Just adjustment, increasing, declining, and reconciliation, all these things are can very easily performed and managed by automation, using automation and computer-aided technology. That is the thing. So some basic elements of electronic banking, I like to mention some basic elements. What are the basic elements? Like the banking system software. Yes, for this sort of transaction you need a specific software, highly sophisticated by skilled, software developer. They can develop as per the necessity and requirement of the banking operations and functions. They can develop software packages. Okay, then the communication network. Communication network is very important. It's like just human body. Just I'm sketching here, there is responding in my head. Like the same way, whatever, whenever, wherever a certain one is staying and he is connecting and contacting, he is transferring money, receiving money, okay, and commission and percentage discounted. All these things are then and there. That very moment automatically that has been counted, transferred, and the result is then and there coming out. This is the thing. The communication network is, radio link, dial-up, telephone, and the communication network with the help of all these things, this is practiced. Then the delivery channel, very important thing is that is the delivery channel like the human, brain, nervous system, nerve system, brain system, nerve system, like a human body. This is highly circulated and moving everywhere and elsewhere. Then the switching system, this is, if I want to stop this transaction of a certain location, then and there it can be stopped. Yes, for the any kind to maintain secrecy or the right measures for maintaining the banking authenticity. Anyways, the functions of the electronic banking I like to discuss. There is receiving money, yes, obviously. Receiving money, and using tools and techniques, then I can receive very one-stop service system. I can receive money. Then bank can receive money, whatever they amount it. Then, not only that thing, also, I can deposit a certain amount of money in any different other branches. It may be I want to deposit in the Mohammadpur branch of a certain bank, that can be deposited into the same bank's branch in Dinajpur. Yes, like this way you can deposit. Bankers can, banking organization can receive the deposits. Then, to keep withdrawal facilities, the same way as we can deposit our money to any other branch, the same way we can also collect money from any branch if online transaction is connected, that is with. So it's a very easy system, easy format. Traditionally it was not available. Now it's the easiest manner. Now another thing is this, we did not even telecommunication system or ATM system has been developed in such a manner that any part of the country we can collect and procure or can receive by putting ATM card to any branch or any booth. Then quick delivery of information, and this is the right, just we are using our ATM card in an ATM booth, then and there when you are paying for a certain amount of money, and then and there result is coming out. Yes, if I withdraw, say for the 5,000 taka, then and there report is there. Yes, taka 5,000 you withdrawn, the rest balance is this. They are all, including the balance, they are also telling the most quickest manner within few seconds. And this is the ample opportunity using the automation, which was quite impossible earlier when the manual effort was there going on. In some places, some areas also still now manual system is practicing, but actually that practice is not authentic that much level and the time consuming. Then multi-variety types of services this automation system has been providing. That is for the ATM, debit card, credit card, home banking, all these things services are provided by the banks. So people is becoming more connected. People is becoming with the banks, related with the banks. As a result, what's going on? The personal skill efficiency also developing, and the people's sensation is now working very positively. They can do banking day long, no problem. Then a settlement of interbanking transaction is reconciliation. This is actually reconciliation. Interbanking transaction that has been settled in a very quickest manner because automation is there. Computer-aided banking system is there. So that's within a few seconds, few moments, bank can pay you the printed report of your overall transaction banking. Then some limitations are here also. That is, number one, that is the urban oriented. Electronic device techniques are used basically in the urban areas of the country. In the countryside, it's to some extent it's tough because there is a question of the power energy, there is a question of the right use of automation, and there is a question of communication. Some sort of barriers are also there. And software specialists, there is a lack of the maintenance of tools and methods of in the rural area. Then lack of awareness. Yes, overall the people of the rural areas are not that much aware. They don't know how to use the debit card, credit card, ATM card like this way. So they can do something wrong. Then there is a question of lack of secrecy. Yes, secrecy is a question. Say for the sometimes clients are very much worried regarding the secrecy. They think the employees of the bank, they can leak out their secrecy, their fund status, balance status. The same way, costly. The overall practice of this automation system and its maintenance system is very much expensive from the branch point of view. And if so, and that expensive issues are imposed upon the clients. So the matter is problematic to some extent. Then legal complexity. There is a legal complexity. Banks in Bangladesh follows two banking law, 1991 and 1994. But as per the 1991 and 1994 Bank Act, banks are running. But electronic banking system has been started with the Cyber Act. So that is the whole trouble. This banking system is now following the Cyber Act. There is a Banking Act of the 1994, 1991. Overall, this is a very problematic, and the clients are sometimes frustrated, and they are becoming, oh no, manual system, traditional systems are far better. Though they are suffering, they don't know why they are suffering and what is the reason of suffering. This is the whole trouble, and trouble from the side of the clients. For that reason, bank is becoming slower in some phases, and to overcome this problem and mitigating these challenges, the bank has to launch a training program both for the clients and for the workers and employees, not workers, for the employees of the organization itself. Anyway, students, we are now discussing this way, and the next we will go for the other affairs. And actually, being a student of business, you need to deal with the banks and financial institutions. For that reason, how they are operating and functioning with the electronic system, telecommunication devices, and automation, computer-aided activities, you need to know all these things. And as a young generation, young force, your brain is cool. You can gather this knowledge far better, earliest best, if your tendency was there. So, I appreciate your tendency if you are actually interested to know these automation practices in the banking sector of our country. Thank you very much. It's a very nice weather is now today cool and calm. The birds are now singing, green field, workers are working there, and a little bit also sound is coming from outside, from the roadside. Okay, keep yourself safe within your house. And mind one thing, that is, nowadays we are delivering our lecture in virtual system. Also, you are connected with the virtual world and have to be trained up highly. And at the same time, side by side, you need to learn some foreign languages, because our huge FDI is coming from China, Japan, Arabian countries, and Western countries as a whole. So English, Chinese, Japanese, Arabic languages you need to know. And if you are knowing these languages, then the employers will like you very much and you will be employed there. Okay? Good luck. Best of luck.